Hello, I'm Carrie. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you'd like to see how I got this high puff, please stay tuned and keep on watching, and I hope y'all enjoy this video. Starting off with the old wash and go, the products I'm using is a stretch rubber band, some Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Whip, some Eco Gel, a pick, a bristle brush, and a spray bottle of water. Now, let's get started. Starting off, I'm just spraying my hair with some water so it'll be easier to work with. Then I'm going to take this Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Whip and I'm going to apply that mostly around my edges. Then I'm using some of this Eco Gel, and what I'm going to do is put that around my edges, and then I'm going to take a brush so I can brush my hair back into a high ponytail. And all I'm doing next is taking this stretch rubber band and then placing it around my hair to create that ponytail. My hair is still wet from the spray bottle, so what I'm doing is just shaking my hair around so it can dry a little bit faster. Taking the pick, all I'm doing is just fluffing out my hair like I always do. And that is it. I know this was a super quick video, but this is all I do to create the puff for my hair or slash high ponytail. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will talk to y'all later.